Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is just going to be a short unboxing video of a parcel that I got today. So let's open up. Okay, as you can see from the box, this is a Timex archive timepiece. Well, I think the barcode gives the name away. It's Timex Navi Harbor steel at 38 millimeters. I'm not sure what BLD means, but yeah, let's open up. The box, it's presented quite nice. Let's try to open it up. Okay, there's this okay, I think it's instruction, and I believe oops, this is the instruction. So what is that? User information. So I think this is a shorter version of the user information, I guess. Yep, I bought this from Mr. Porter in the UK because I cannot find this on any of the Timex website. Even on the United States site, it's out of stock, and in my country, the Timex here basically has nothing of this sort. Let's take out the watch. Alright. Okay, this is crown lock, so to prevent the watch from going. Press this in. Yep, this is obviously a quartz movement. This is the Timex Navi Harbor. It's from the archive series, as you can see, is here. And it has a bi-directional bezel. Okay, it's non-ratcheting, but the bi-directional bezel can allow us to keep track of a 2 time zone because it's an 12-hour bezel. It comes with this, I think if I'm not mistaken, it's what Timex call the ballistic nylon. It also came with another leather NATO strap. It's quite nice. Okay, I think they purposely, I don't know, wired, scratched this or bead blasted this so that it looks used and vintage. That's the case. I think they did the same kind of treatment for the case as well. As you can see, it's not used or it's not a defect, but in a way they finish it off, like, you know, in it's kind of a patina, a faux patina case, so that it looks like a vintage piece. But obviously the quartz on dial does give it away. And yep, it doesn't have the Timex look Indiglow, because it's sort of like a vintage inspired piece. I wanted to get this for a long time, you know, but I can't really find it anywhere. I've been looking it, you know, since, like, I would say for a year or year and a half after I've seen one on YouTube, and I tried to find, and you know, I couldn't really get one. And from the Timex US website, it has been out of stock for quite a long time. I'm not sure why, but it's really a shame because Timex only limits, sometimes the distribution is quite limited, because in my country I cannot find any of this timepiece. Yep, it's a 100-meter water resistance. It's powered by the CR2016 cell, stainless steel case back. Not sure if the case back is snapped in or screwed down. Oh yep, see there's a tang here, so it's a snap-in case back. Well, very nice. I really like the design of this. Let's try to pull out the crown and move the hand around. There is no date on this piece, so it looks very symmetrical. And as you can see, the hour hand has a skeletonized, I would call this, I don't know, bubble hand that goes around the 24-hour markers. It has an acrylic crystal, if I'm not mistaken, and the entire dial is printed. All in all, very nice. I'm very happy with this piece. So I will put this on my wrist for a few weeks, then I will do a more detailed review. So if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and you can hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out any videos. And you can follow me on my Instagram at gfw_watch for more watch related content. Till then, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.